Hi, my name is Sergey, and today I'm the hypnotist. We are doing Sergey Got Talent.
Spider! There's a spider! There's a spider!
She acted like a chicken, afraid of spider, small, tiny spider. You know, she learned it from this. She deserved to be a real chicken. No spiders. No more spiders. Better just like that.
Hello, I'm Carol Graham. I'm a psychotherapist and life coach. I use a lot of hypnotherapy in my work, and I'd like to dispel some of the myths and misconceptions around hypnotherapy. Hypnosis is a natural state that you've been in thousands of times before. What happens is, when you're doing something automatically, like driving your car, eating a meal, when you're in the shower even, your subconscious mind takes over because it's something it's already learned and can do without you consciously thinking about it. Your conscious mind is then free to drift off. The daydream state, for example, is a light hypnotic state. And when you're receiving hypnotherapy, which is simply therapy delivered to the mind whilst in hypnosis, you are in complete control. You can decide how deep you go into hypnosis, and you may be able to hear every single word the hypnotherapist says. A stage hypnotist might be able to make you cluck like a chicken, but a hypnotherapist wouldn't. Some people believe that their mind will be controlled, or they might not wake up at the end of the session and such things, but I can assure you that you have nothing to worry about.